Tiwari, for giving me a wonderful opportunity, incredible opportunity to speak and share my experience with such a high, powerful audience. And of course, to Mr. Patel for making us with such a wonderful device. I can imagine many of you would have been thinking coming here that how a person who's working as an employee of a company speak on the podium of entrepreneurship. It is because entrepreneurship or being entrepreneurial is not about your job title. It's not about the school you went to, or for that matter, if Mr. Patel shared, even if you went ever to school or not. It's about looking the world and seeking opportunities, not obstacles. It is about looking the world and seeing the things which are not done, and the world which how it is and what it can be, and then trying or having the ability and the determination to meet those both worlds. I can so starting on the same note, I'd like to share some experiences, of course, about my company, about the operations, what I run here for Nucleus in Netherlands, experiences of my life. Starting very first talking about my company, we have seen a lot of entrepreneurs, and as Mr. Patel said, the people who were thinking entrepreneurially within the company. So first and foremost, Mr. Vishnukumar Prasad, who is the managing director and the CEO, the real entrepreneur of the company, who started the company 24 years back. There was a time when when the liberalization in India picked up, and most of the Indian software IT companies, as we know them, uh, ran towards the services area. This was one company, and rather we are one of the five most strongest companies in India which have created focus on intellectual property right, building products. So Mr. Vishnukumar Prasad started the company on that vision. We stuck onto it, and today I'm very proud sharing. We work with Fortune 500 companies in the banking and financial sector, having 200 plus customers, and our product is ranked world's #1 lending software solution. So we started with that. Of course, over a period of time, Mr. Vishnukumar Prasad, the managing director, was helped by people who were thinking entrepreneurially. For example, Neeraj Vedwa, who now works as in the capacity of Chief Operating Officer, was responsible for growing the business 30 times in last decade. Uh, Pramod Sanghi, who works as a CFO, Ravi, various other people. So that's about the company where the foundation stones were laid 24 years back, and then Vishnu was held by other people, the management executive committee, to grow the business. I was given an opportunity, a very humble one, from my company. I was one of the youngest guys, having worked in Nucleus for only 1 year. I was selected to open the operations, European operations for Nucleus. I came in here 2 years back with 20 kgs of extra baggage without home, like a backpacker, no office, no home. Landed up at the airport, found a hotel, moved into it, and thereafter I started thinking. Got an office, found a home in 5 days, various other things. So all those things came up. I'm very proud, and now in 2 years, from when I landed and didn't knew anything about how the European business works, we are now prospecting, or rather, we are very strong contenders within uh, within our customer space. We are evaluated by our software solution is evaluated now by a few of the largest banks within the European sector. Talking about my experiences life, every people, second kind of people, not entrepreneurs, but my category, who think entrepreneurially, or rather even the first category, all of them have failures in life. Uh, and as some of my co-speakers talked about, that entrepreneurs are not created, they're just born. So I think very first entrepreneurial thinking uh, began very early in my life. When I was in standard 6th, as per Indian education system. Uh, I was my intestines, both in long and short, the long intestine and short intestine, both opened up together. I had some, what do you call it, blood poisoning, etc. And what doctor has written off that, this guy will not be saved now. Anyways, he performed a surgery. My intestine was open, cut, put together, and he told me that this guy will never run. Sumit will never run, and he should not climb stairs, he should not pull up weights, etc. And by the time I reached class 10th, I was very impressed by Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sylvester Stallone, all that stuff. So I went to the gym, not telling my parents. These things I've never shared in podium, so it's very for the first time. So of course I feel overwhelmed also. So I went to the gym. I picked up 5 kgs of weight on bench press. I don't know whom, we have a gym here as well. I was quite excited to see it. So I picked up 5 kgs of weight on the bench press and I choked. I could not see what is there in front of me. The gym was in the basement. There were some, exhaust fans which were taking the air out, but still I choked there. So I came out, I walked back home, and that 5 minutes walk to my home, I think I took 30 minutes to walk because I was not able to, it was completely dark. And this was when I first entered the gym. And then after, by the time I was in 12th, I was picking 130 kgs of bench press weight. So within a period of 2 years, after 6 kilometers of jogging. So, it's about proving to yourself that nothing is impossible. It's about attitude. So that is what I'm going to share further in my presentation also. What are those key aspects, what should be there, in a person to think entrepreneurially or to be an entrepreneur. Of course, I've talked about the success that I was able to cope up with whatever, or rather prove the doctor wrong. Anyways, I'll move down to the next one.